Good morning to everyone. My name is Harika. I'm a trainer here for the Codex Solutions. I've been placed by Venu Garu and also Rajkumar Garu. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity as a trainer here. I have almost trained for about 900 plus students here, and also they are placed in all the companies. Okay, firstly I'll tell you, how many of you know what is medical coding here? Can you raise your hands? Who knows what is medical coding? Yes? Yes, only very few. Only very few know what is medical coding, right? So firstly I'll tell you what is medical coding. Okay, those who doesn't know, just listen what is medical coding, because you have come here to work in medical field, right? So let me explain what is medical coding first. Yes, now suppose you just imagine you are attacked with some fever or some health issue. What you will do first thing? Yes, you will go to the hospital, right? So imagine you went to the hospital, right? What you will do the first thing when you enter into the hospital? Yes, you will go to the registration process, right? So what you will pay? Assume that you have paid something around rupees 500, and then what you will do? He or she will consult you with the doctor, isn't it? Then you will be entered into the doctor room, right? So here you will be explaining everything about the doctor, that what are the conditions you have, yes, what are your signs and symptoms, everything, right? Then after, what does the doctor do? He will estimate something, he will assess something that you need to go for MRI scan or CT scan or anything based upon your signs and symptoms, right? So what you'll do immediately, you go for the diagnosis, right? So imagine you have paid something around 2,000 here. Yes, you need to pay, right, for diagnosis. Yes. Next, what you will do? You will take all these reports and you will go to the doctor again, right? So yes, now you are meeting your doctor, and what does a doctor do? This is a final assessment, right? Based upon your reports and based upon your signs and symptoms, everything, he decides that, suppose assume that you are attacked with some DM or hypertension or something, right? So he will assess it and he will write you are suffering with so and so, right? So again he'll prescribe all these tablets, and if you need to purchase, again you have to pay something, right? Yes. This is the process what we do when you're attacked with some condition, isn't it? Now let me explain you here. If you have insurance, right? If you have insurance, there is no need for you to pay any of these bills, right? All these bills can be claimed, right? But why this insurance will pay? For whom this insurance will pay? I'm telling you that there is no need for you to pay any of this amount, right? But why? Why others are paying for us? Why this insurance company is paying? What is the proof? Let me explain, okay? Yes, now in the well-developed countries like US, UK, Canada, anything, even in India also, most of them have insurance, right? So that insurance company will pay this amount, okay? Now I'll tell you here, all these, why this insurance is paying to this doctor is because the conversation between the doctor and the patient. Yes, you will have a conversation, right, with the doctor. Even here you will have the conversation between the doctor and the patient. Everything is being audio recorded. Okay? The doctor will record audio. Okay? And he will send this audio record to the insurance. Okay? That is the medical transcriptor. Who is it? Medical transcription. Okay? By the word transcription, you can know that something is being converted, isn't it? This audio which is recorded is being converted into the text format. Okay? This text format is called as transcription, from audio to written format. Now listen, this written format is being next converted into the codes. Okay? Suppose here DM or fever is there. We will give those codes. Okay, now fever code is R65.20. So this code is given. This is the job of the coder. This is the medical coding. Okay, now what you're doing, text format is converted into the code format, right? Now next one, this is the medical billing. Okay, this is the medical billing. Now these codes, based upon these codes, how much amount should be paid, the medical billing is being done. Understood? Clear, everybody? So this is the medical billing. So assume $100, okay, $200 something. So this medical billing scripts are sent to the insurance. Understood? This insurance now directly he will pay to the hospital or the doctor. Got it? This complete whole cycle which I have told you till now is called as RCM. What is RCM? Clear? This whole process is revenue cycle management. Now as a medical coder in this whole thing, what is our job? Only this, that is text format, we have to convert it into code. Is it very simple or no? Yes, that's why it is so becoming like very popular that as a software employee, you know, we come from very different background, from B Farm, M Farm, yes, from degree, BSc, agriculture, everybody, even few of them related to the math also, they are interested to work in medical coding because of this reason. It is a very stress-free job, very secure job, right? You will be getting a very high payments also in this. And most of the companies are providing, you know, a good quality of amount. Okay, even a middle class family can survive with that salary. Okay, very stress-free job, very secure. We see for that only, no. We want a very secure job. It is a very secure job. Most of the companies are providing this, you know, good high payment salary. If it is non-MNC also, they provide you a very good salary. Okay, this is the main thing which you need to understand. Whoever don't know, I just told about them like a just demo. We almost provided for 900 plus students here. Okay, everybody, I'm telling you, everybody is certified. There is no one who is non-certified. Okay, everybody is certified, and here 100 job placements are also there. Okay, you will be placed for sure. Once if you are certified, you will be placed. Okay, that is our responsibility for you to provide the placements. And one more thing here I wanted to tell you was that here, you know, there is no need for you to go to the company. The companies itself will come here. Got it? There is no need for you to go and attend the drives. The company people only, when they want a lump sum of, you know, they come here in search of the coders. If you are talented, definitely they'll take you, isn't it? So if anybody is interested to join for the CPC certification, okay, after your interview you can talk to the management and you can know about the fee structure and everything. I'm the trainer here, and also the fees and the fee structure will be discussed later with them. Okay, and if you have any more doubts, you can ask me. Placements are provided, certification is there. Don't worry, there is two, offline and online, two batches are there. Okay, if you want offline also you can come, or if you want online, if you're working somewhere, if you want online at any time, you can even talk to them. Due to some financial problems, you might looking for a job, but at the end of the day you wanted to be certified. Yes, if you want to certify, after placing the job you can come here for the certification. Okay. will look for some institute which placement are available. Okay, and even I'm telling you that be certification only, because you know all the high payments are being for the certified, and it will be easy for you when you go to the workplace also. When you don't know what is what, it be a difference, it make a big difference. Good afternoon everyone. Did you all have your lunch? I hope everybody is waiting for the results, right? Okay, hope for the best everyone. Yes, before that I'm going to introduce all the staff here. The staff is completely of the Codex Solutions, okay, and your results are being, you know, under process. The evaluation is going on. Everybody will get the officially message, okay, or email or something else you'll get, and almost everybody will be placed, okay, don't worry about the results, and please support Codex Solutions, okay. If anybody is there, please refer to them. We provide CCS, CPC, okay, and the other certifications also, and if anything like CPC-A removal is there, okay, after you having the experience, please suggest, okay. And in this solutions we even offer placements at least weekly, twice we'll be having the drives, okay, like Omega, Optum, and also, you know, Cognizant, okay, Wipro, R1 RCM, okay, will provide all the placements in the institution itself. So please refer, and all the non-certified batch who are present here, okay. Actually you people should be happy that, you know, non-certified are getting an opportunity to show your skills. Actually when you go outside, nobody will care you if you are non-certified, they won't take you, right? So this is the best solution, I think, where you can enhance your skills also. Once you have done your job also, please don't forget Coding Solutions is there here, Codex, where you can get certified, okay, and you can leverage your skills also, okay. Please pass this information to your relatives, your friends or cousins, anybody is there, okay. Thank you so much.